Day 4, mga 12 magsi-check out na kami. Pero time check, 8:20. Naliguan namin si Tanya, si Mami. Nag-prepare na kami. Kain muna kami ng breakfast sa baba. Tapos pupunta tayo ng Port Canning kasi hindi namin napunta mula nung mga una. Picture lang naman yun. Tapos baka mag-swimming ulit dito pabalik. Bago mag-12, check out naman kami. Tapos mahaba pa yung oras kasi alas 6 pa yung out namin. Mga ganun.
Silipin nga natin din. Mag-rock deck tayo.
Tara.
Bago tayo bumaba.
Lasad. Oh, good. Singapore. Yung Fort Canning pala. Park talaga siya mismo. Dumating na kami dito ng taxi kami. Mabot din siya ng mga... Dito may saka.
Kanan?
Kanan dito pa baba. Mabot din siya ng mga 5. From our hotel. 15 o 14 to 15 dollars. 20 meters min nandyan lang. Ano? Fort Canning Tritano. Dito lang. Sa baba lang pala. Inakit pa kami ng taxi driver. Dito lang siya. Yan. Dito siya. Ano? Fort Canning at glance. Dito lang siya banda. Ito na yan eh. Yung pinagpipicturean nila. Pakyat. May pila sa baba. Na mismo binabaan namin. Yun na pala yung Port Canning. This one. After this, we're gonna go to the airport. You can go here at 6 a.m. 7 a.m. because if you arrive from 7 a.m. and past there will become a huge line like this one. 9 minutes.
Tanya, listen, baby.
You're taking a picture? For 1 hour, pumila kami. Tapos, takbo na kami. Papunta airport naman. We're taking our luggage then. We have to travel na. Time update, 10:35. 10:35. After Fort Canning, hindi na kami nag-ikot sa park kasi biglang umulan. Sumakay na kami ng Grab. And we try to pay cash. Then, we're going back to the hotel na kasi check out namin ng 12 pero pwede pa kami mag-ikot sa airport. Then magkaano kami yung ano ba yun? Tax return. Napin namin yun
Sandy.
sa airport. Tax return, we will check for that. Goodbye Singapore. Tanya, say goodbye Singapore.
Goodbye, Singapore.
Later we will go home.
Cheers, sister. Mommy, can just money and like.
Pipicturean din nila yun.
Catholic Church. There's a Catholic Church, a beautiful Catholic Church.
St. Joseph Church.
The National Design Center, katabi niya, St. Joseph Church. Ganda ng mga building dito, puro more on sa architecture. Talagang pinagplanuhan nila. Saka mga solid. Talagang kailangan quality. Yung mga gawa ng building. We go from second floor, not namin first floor din. So maglit kami sa swimming pool. Yan. Maglit kami para makapag-swimming daw. Baka malalim yan, Mia. Huwag mo siyang anuhin ha. Go, la. Mi, huwag mo siyang iwala sa panino. Baka malalim yan, tumalong ka bigla.
Malalim talaga yan.
Sabi?
Oo. 1.2 meter. 1 meter to. Mamaya naman.
Kahit umuulan. Yan. Swimming sila.
Lang naman tayo.
Terminal 4, understand that
12:50
your
sa
departure
shuttle
flight
pabalik na
is
airport.
5J8.
06. Yes, 806 is tonight.
Papalik na ng
6
shuttle.
o'clock.
Tanya, hi.
Night after
Say hi.
6:50 are your flights. Okay, wake up already? Alright, really wish all of you a safe and happy journey back home, huh? Alright. Yes? You can just bring it down. There's just a bin inside the departure hall, the entrance there. You can just throw inside the bin, huh? Terminal 4, once we enter to the immigration counter, no water. Put inside your stomach. The water put in your stomach, huh? Okay, come on.
For check dito, kailangan lang natin iyan. Gamitin yung passport natin para makakuha rin ng bag tag. Akin. Sa amin, hindi pa siya pwede kasi 1:42 pa lang. Siguro mga 3 o'clock. Mga 3:10 pwede. Pwede na mag-ano. Ngayon kasi sobrang aga pa. Testing natin yung ano, yung tax return. Dito sa GST refund. Yan. Pwede yung kay ma'am. Changi Airport. Tikit na ito. Nasa pa yung flight natin. Pero ano pala? 2 p.m. Sila mami pwede na mag-check-in. Sa akin wala pa. Mas mami. Where did they go? Shuttle ng Terminal 4, shuttle ng airport, pakulit tayuan lang. Tapos gamit lang diretso. Sa Tanya, tulog. Tayuan lang kasi mga luggage lang yung dala mo doon. Lipat ka lang for attraction. We go here at lock mo me. Gantay ka ng aksidente ah. We go here at T1 again to see the Jewel. The vortex for this morning, but I don't know if there's a light na because it's already dark. It's 3:50 p.m. We would like to try to see that again. Pag nagbus ka, ito yung daan. Kunyari makapapawaw ka ulit. You have to say wow. Wow. It's like You'll feel it for the first time. Di ba? Oh, wow.
Kapag umaga.
Oh. It's a different look when there's no light. Without light. Before they turn on the light. You have to see it. Mga ano lang kami dito, wala pang 30 minutes. Tapos balik na kami ulit sa Terminal 1 ba yun, May? Nakastop pa, balik kami Terminal 4 ulit. Ito yung mga picture namin. Kumuha lang kami talaga ng picture. Tapos sasakay kami ulit na shuttle pabalik. Ito yung mga pictures. Time check 4:09. Cut muna kami dito. P4 Cash mix. Kami naman lift lagi dahil kay Tanya.
Food and beverage. Most
Changi Airport Terminal 4. Laki naman patibi nila. Tapos puro self-check-in pero meron pa rin gas. We have to eat. Meron pa tayo sa oras bago yung boarding time sa Burger King. We buy this to Sunday. Then isang cheeseburger, double cheeseburger and barbecue and Cara Sunday. Tapos may free siyang grape na soda and bottled water. Tapos side dish yung dalawang price na medium. $26.80. Ang Singaporean dollars is 48 pesos sa atin. May ketchup.
Ito muna, burger muna.
Basta yung dress mo. Water. Grabe, init pa rin kahit sa loob ng airport.
Sige na. Huwag siya mag-ice cream diyan.
Yan ba yun sa'yo? Yung burger.
Later, you're gonna be hungry. There's no food in there. That's why we woke you up so you can eat. Later, you're gonna say, Mommy, you're not feeding me anymore.
I will get it na after you eat.
5 muna. 5 this, 3 this one, and then you can,
Or you can go by yourself.
Last 2 lang. Last 2 lang. Dito lang ko pa yun ng ano.
Hindi. Sabi mo, ano pa niyo? Ano ba naman sa likod mo? Ba't parang nagkaroon ka sa sariling way?
Dapat ganun pagkakasuot ko. Hard band.
No. Nauto naman ng paka-bakery. Kain tayo Burger King. Mga square dyan lang.
Burger machine yun.
Ang Burger Machine. Burger King sabi. Burger Machine, pag nag-inom lang kami. Pero Burger King, di ba lagi nga kami sa Baclaran araw-araw?
Kaya dito sa burger, no?
Burger King, naglalakad kami. Kasi yung Whopper siya na pinakamalaki. Pagpasok mo na immigration, time check, 5 PM. Hindi siya sa gate eh. May boarding group lang, tas gate like that to. Pero pagkaroon sa information, G17 daw kami. Tapos yan, no? G1 to G21. Dapat maganda yung ganito, up to 21, up to 11 minutes malalaman mo kung ilang minuto ka pa. Ganda nito. Kung ilang minuto ka maglalakad. Kaya okay din. Let's go. Ganda na airport ah. Ang tambayan nila. Terminal 4 departure. Cebu Pacific, Manila, 5J804. Ayan. Uy! 110. Ba't naging 110? Me? 806 pala kami. Oh. This is it's all about the discount. You have to buy it pa rin. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Wow! Come on, let's go. Come on. It looks like an art.
Whoa!
Come on, let's go na.
Boy, what? Whoa! I didn't see that.
Sa loob na. Paparais naman mga airport para mga mall. Pero yung mga upuan nila, mas komportable. Kasi na-try ko yung sa Naiya, di ba? Ang sakit ng bakal. Okay din naman yun. Pero maganda sa akin yung mayroong mga couch talaga na parang pang lazy boy na medyo makakahinga ka talaga, relax. Kasi sa bahay, nakaka-relax ka. Pero pagpunta mo ng airport sa atin, ang titigas. Mga ganun. Sa Big Koi Fish. Halos kasing laki ng Nitanya ng mga koi fish. Malalaki siya. Yung maganda sa Singapore, talaga inayos nila. Alam mo ba? Na mas matatalino sa mas kaya natin ito mga Pinoy. Problema, hindi natin kanya-kanya tayo eh. Parang ganun. Ganun yung nangyayari. Wow, there's an attraction pa. That one.
Master mo.
Wow. Kailangan kabilami. Kasi nandito yung araw. Diyan ka sa kaliwa.
Uy, babay
Yeah.
ka na. Babay na daw.
Gumanong ka lang, gay. Say bye-bye to Singapore. Doon ka muna, say. Ako dito. Home ka kaliwa. Say bye-bye, Singapore.
Bye-bye.
Ano yan? Say bye-bye to Singapore. I will turn. Bye-bye, Singapore. Close it. Hindi ka naman nagsalita. Bye-bye, Singapore.
Bye, Singapore.
Okay. Tanya's wearing a seatbelt. No, you have to put it like this. Yeah. Right. Then we have to pull it like that. Oh.
Against individuals who violate these safety policies.
Oh wow! How did you do that?
You can just try if I did.
How? Can you demonstrate for me?
How do you do that?
Oh.
Whoa. It looks like a magic.
I told you twist it like that.
Can you teach us? Oh, wow.
Say it like this. Hey.
Hello everyone, and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight. We are delighted to have you on board today. May we
Open yours.
This way, I'm asking you, how's
for
your trip to
passengers
Singapore?
seated by the
We're going to
emergency
the
exit,
Philippines again.
read carefully the passenger briefing card
We're
located by
leaving
your
now, look
seat.
oh. We're
If you
flying,
do not
we're
wish to
leaving Singapore
perform the
na.
functions described in case of an emergency, please ask
Say
the
bye-bye,
cabin crew
Singapore.
to receive you.
Planes. Goodbye, Singapore.
For everyone's
Bye,
safety,
everyone.
the use of power banks
Subscribe
during
on
the
our
flight
channel.
is strictly prohibited. Power
Why are
banks
you
must
looking at
remain
me?
switched off
You
during the
you
flight.
have one eye
Please
in your.
keep them in
you
your
don't have
personal
any
pocket
eye.
or in
Only
the
look.
seat pocket in front of
Wow.
you. If you sa
like this.
o sa seat pocket,
like that.
kung may mapansin
Do it
na
like
anumang
this.
senyales ng pag-init, usok o apoy, agad na ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew.
Ang ganda naman ng kuha niya.
Good vitamin. Namamahuan.
Pag wala nga tubig, wala lang silang bidet dito.
You have to smell it.
your patience to the following guest. If you're on please acknowledge by raising your hand.
I'm wiping it.
Mr. Roberto Batis, Mr. Ken Cedric Cabrera.
What?
In compliance with civil aviation regulations, your cabin crew will now take their
What?
seats for takeoff. For your comfort,
Alarm?
we will be dimming the cabin lights.
Mommy's
If you
dancing.
wish to use your reading light, the button is found on the panel above you.
Let's go.
Goodbye, Singapore.
Say goodbye, Singapore. Say goodbye to them. Goodbye,
Look
Singapore.
at my eyes. Where's my eyes?
Singapore mo na Singapore.
Goodbye, Singapore.
Okay to them.
Goodbye, Singapore.
Yes. Singapore Airlines.
It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
$9.25. Bati kami. Para Manila.
For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off.